How to partition a USB drive. Windows 10. Click the Start button. Type Computer Management into Start. Click Computer Management. Click the Disk Management tab. Right-click your USB flash drive. Select Format. Select NTFS from the File System menu. Click OK. Right-click USB flash drive and select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of your new partition. Click the Shrink button. Right-click the unallocated partition and select New Simple Volume. Click Next to start the wizard. Adjust the partition size and click Next. Assign the partition a new drive letter and click Next. Select your formatting settings and click Next. Once you click Next, the new partition will appear.